All right, guys. So one of the things that I've noticed in using After Effects is after a while, you may notice that your render preview slows down. So as you're doing animation, you're doing rendering, whatever it is, as you're adding this, the preview, for whatever reason, seems to be slowing down. So a few days ago, mine got extremely slow. It's getting super frustrated because I'm just waiting for a preview, right? So I have this animation that I'm working on, and it was going ridiculously slow. So I found a quick and easy fix to make your After Effects go faster. Now, this is a disclaimer. You want to check and verify that you're not going to delete anything that's important. So that disclaimer is just do some research before you do it. But I've done my research, and this is a pretty easy way to clean up your cache so that your preview can go faster. So the way that you do that, let's just get to it. You go to After Effects and you go to Preferences, and you can go to General if you want, or you can skip all the way down to Media and Disk Cache. So the cache right here, this disk cache, this is the area that you're going to want to take a look at. So one of the things that you can do is, as you're doing your projects and doing things, it's keeping a cache of all of these different projects. And after a while, it goes extremely slow and it's super frustrating. So all you have to do is, one, click this and you can delete it. Mine goes directly to the hard drive on my computer. You can connect it to a solid state drive or something else that would be external, and you could choose that folder and have the cache there for it to be faster if you wanted. But this is good enough for me. So all you have to do is hit empty cache and it'll do a little. So right now I have delete all 62.7 gigs on my disk cache. So if I go ahead and hit OK, it's going to take a few minutes, and it's going to get rid of it. Once that happens, my preview and render is going to be so much faster. So it totally just did it. The other thing that you can do is you can clean your database and cache. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. It takes just a couple seconds, nothing crazy. But what is crazy is when you do this, after it's done, your After Effects runs so much faster. So rather than pulling your hair out and going, why is the preview taking so long to render out so I can just see how the animation is going? And by the way, I was doing that at like a quarter of the quality, not full, because it was taking way too long, even at a quarter. But as soon as I did those things and then I played it, my animation, all that stuff went way faster. I'll open up another project just so you can see. Let's see this one. This is the one that actually I was super frustrated with, because I was trying to, and obviously it's a much bigger project, so I was trying to like render, and it was going like way slow. So now that I put it in here and I hit it, it's going way faster. And this is full like 1080p, the graphics, everything. This is way faster. So before I was waiting 5 minutes and I wouldn't even get this far. So if I were to drop it to half, I mean, it's going to go way faster. And so just so you can see the difference, and this has got a bunch of different keyframes, elements, all that kind of stuff. But just to show you real time how fast it's going, it's way better. So now I could take a look at it and I could go, okay, let's take a look at this. So much better. And the render, it was killing me beforehand. So just FYI, guys, hopefully you found the video useful. I know this is just kind of more of a quick tip, but it's one that like really has made my life so much easier. I don't know why I haven't done that before, but it was getting super frustrating to go ahead and render things out. As you can see, look at how much faster that goes. It's just way faster. And I had to wait on this stuff, so it was like super frustrating. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. consider subscribing. I'm trying to do some things to help you all out.